Hi, I'm going to go over the Writing Helper tool. You can use this when you are doing your essays or submitting any of the projects into this submission box. If you're writing your response right into this box, you can use this writer tool to help you check for spelling and grammar errors. So for instance, if I were to write my sentence here, I can click on the little refresh icon and it will point out mistakes I have with my writing. So I can see, okay, I need to make sure I capitalize my I's and I need to fix the spelling of apples. So I can go back then, fix these mistakes. They'll still show up as highlighted so you know where you made your changes. And again, refresh, and you'll see that you're now all set and ready to go. So you can use this writer tool to help you proofread before submitting the final version of your project or essay if you put it directly into the submission box.